Welcome to Kiddie Cosmos. Meet our team of space explorers, Selene, Gulshan, and Themis, 3 brave friends who love to explore the galaxy. Today, they're preparing for their biggest adventure yet. The children excitedly talk about their mission as they suit up in their bright space gear. I can't wait to see what's out there.
I heard the planet of surprises has a floating playground.
I hope we find some friendly aliens.
As the rocket leaves Earth's atmosphere, the explorers gaze out of the windows at the infinite stars and planets. Their adventure has begun. The children marvel at the view. Look at all those stars.
What's that spinning planet over there?
I see a comet zooming by.
But space travel isn't always smooth. Suddenly, the team encounters a playful asteroid field that blocks their path.
Watch out, asteroids ahead.
Quick, Astro. Steer the rocket.
Hold on tight, navigating through obstacles!
After safely navigating the asteroid field, the explorers spot a colorful, swirly planet ahead. It's the planet of surprises. We made it.
Look at those rainbow clouds.
Let's land and explore.
As the explorers step out of their rocket, they're greeted by playful creatures, each with a fun, magical ability.
Whoa, look at that one. It's changing colors.
And that one is bouncing like a balloon.
What's that sound? It's singing.
The explorers decide to venture into the twisty tree forest, where trees stretch, twist, and loop in all directions.
Look at these trees. They are like spaghetti.
Let's climb one.
Be careful, they might twist you up. Next, the explorers discover the floating playground, where the ground isn't solid, and everyone can bounce and float. This is amazing. I feel like I'm flying.
I could stay here forever.
Look, I'm doing flips in the air.
But the adventure doesn't stop there. To move forward, the explorers must solve a giant puzzle maze.
This maze is huge. Where do we start?
Look, the pieces move when we touch them.
If we work together, we'll solve it.
After solving the maze, the explorers hop on a boat to float down the river of surprises.
Look. The water changes colors.
I see something glowing beneath us.
It's like the river is alive.
At last, the explorers reach the surprise castle, where every room holds a magical wonder.
Look, the walls are made of candy.
Each door leads to a different surprise.
Let's explore. In one room, the explorers discover a garden where flowers dance and sing.
The flowers are dancing.
And they're singing with the wind.
Let's join them.
Before leaving the planet, the explorers gather for the grand finale, a spectacular surprise that lights up the sky.
What's happening in the sky?
It's a light show.
This is the best surprise yet. It's time to say goodbye, but the explorers will never forget their adventure on the planet of surprises. We'll miss you, planet of surprises.
Let's come back again soon.
There are still so many surprises to discover.
The rocket returns to Earth, and the explorers step out, still filled with wonder and excitement. If you loved this story, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Learn, for more captivating tales. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.